AI isn't just theory. Today, it's transforming how businesses, hospitals, and innovators operate. Here are the game-changing applications making headlines right now. 1. AI for back-office automation. Leading companies like AIX are raising capital to build next-level AI tools that automate tasks in finance, HR, and procurement. Real-world use. AI speeds up invoice processing, automates expense reporting, and flags fraud in finance, screens candidates, manages HR paperwork, and processes payroll. Streamlines vendor approvals and procurement cycles, cutting costs and boosting productivity by up to 40%. With AI, teams shift from paperwork to strategy, driving sharper, faster decisions. 2. AI in healthcare, diagnostics and surgery. Next-gen AI models are now powering cardiac imaging, early disease diagnosis, and even assisting in robotic surgeries. Hospitals use AI to spot heart defects in real time, deliver precise diagnostics, and guide robotic surgical arms, making complex procedures safer and more accurate. We're witnessing a healthcare revolution, with AI offering earlier detection, fewer errors, and better outcomes for patients. 3. Open source AI projects. DeepCogito VI 2. Open source AI is exploding, democratizing access to state-of-the-art logic and reasoning models. DeepCogito V2 is a standout. It uses advanced reasoning to solve complex logic puzzles and decision-making tasks, accelerating research creativity and product innovation. Open source initiatives let anyone tap into powerful AI without barriers, fueling collaboration worldwide. Closing. To stay ahead, follow these AI trends, reshaping back offices, hospitals, and open source innovation. Like and subscribe for the latest AI breakthroughs. Where will AI take us next?